In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the Market Stats panel in TradingView Pro. This is a quick but really useful setup, especially if you like having key market information available at a glance while you're analyzing charts. I'll walk you through it step by step, and by the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to look for, even if you're fairly new to TradingView. First, make sure you're on your TradingView chart layout, not just on the home page. You should see your main chart area in the center, and along the top there'll be a toolbar with different options. What you want to do is look for the Indicators button. It's usually labeled Indicators or Indicators and Strategies, and it's at the top of the chart. Go ahead and click on that. This will open a panel where you can search for and add all kinds of tools to your chart. Once the Indicators window is open, you'll see a search box at the top of that panel. Click directly into that search box so your cursor is active there. This is important because TradingView has a massive library of built-in indicators and community scripts, so using the search is the fastest way to find exactly what you need rather than scrolling through long lists. With the cursor in the search field, start typing Market Stats panel. As you type, TradingView will filter the results in real time. Keep an eye on the list that appears below the search box and look for the indicator or script named Market Stats panel. When you see it, move your mouse over that result and click it once. TradingView will automatically add it to your current chart. After you click it, you should see the Market Stats panel appear on your chart layout. Depending on how it's designed, it might show up along the side, at the bottom, or as an overlay. If it feels a bit cluttered, remember you can usually drag panels around, resize them, or go into the settings of the panel to tweak how it looks and what data it shows. Take a moment to adjust it so it fits well with your existing setup and doesn't block candles or important levels. If you're not yet on TradingView Pro and you want to unlock more features and a smoother experience, check out the affiliate link I've placed in the video description. Using that link helps support the channel at no extra cost to you, and it ensures you get access to the same pro tools I'm using in this tutorial. And that's all you need to do to add the Market Stats panel in TradingView Pro.